McLaughlin, Laugh. And so I said, oh, we have come to McLaughlin Road. And the person who was with me, she started laughing and laughing and laughing. And I said, what the hell? And she used to teach in the same school I used to teach in Dubai. So I said, what are you laughing about? She saying it's not McLaughlin, it is pronounced as McLaughlin. McClock. I said, where is Laugh pronounced like clock? I've never come across that in English at all, where any Laugh word is pronounced as clock. She's saying, but that's how the Canadians pronounce it. So McLaughlin. But the way when I said McLaughlin, the way she laughed, oh my God. And I was telling my wife, I said, can you imagine funny names these Canadians keep?
Mm-hmm.
So that's one name I never ever forgot, because if I went to say McLeod, I would stop and then say, oh, McLaughlin. How do you think of the pronouncing it like a clock? I don't know. But that's why I know if a person is new, how will they pronounce it? They will not know how to, what is the right pronunciation, right?
Mm.
Now, some words are so like in English, there is some words like very much from the French language. So it's easy. We understand that. So if we know the French language, then we will be able to say it. In English, we'll you say it in the French way, like, but so many things we don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Tu, tu, tu. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Doo, doo, doo-doo-doo. Oh, Veronica, how are you? Veronica is speaking Spanish. Buenos dias. Isn't that Spanish?
Buenos.
Isn't that Spanish?
Yeah, buenos dias.
Buenos dias. Yeah, that is Spanish. So, Veronica, you speak Spanish also? Bien, avenue. Bonjour, bonjour. Como ça va, Veronica? Tu, 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 tu. CK, very good. Retracting messages, very good. Do 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 do. No mommy's kisses and no daddy smiles. I plan to go home now, but what happened to your butt?
Kubat? That
CK said,
dialogue.
I plan to go home now, but so what happened to your butt? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. My son told me that it's so very traffic. Yeah, true, true. But every day there is traffic, but maybe because of the floods yesterday, more traffic today. And then this will be peak time when you're going home, it will be peak time. So a lot of traffic. Choo, 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 choo. Choo 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 choo
I love it
choo.
always. I'm very well waiting for Olympic Games tomorrow on TV.
Ah, Veronique, yeah, it's in Paris, no? The Olympics. No daddy's kisses. No, it should be no mommy's kisses. And no daddy's smile. Nobody wants me. I'm nobody's child. Choo 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 choo. You gave life to my children.